What's good with all my trendsetters and hot steppers? It's your boy Chris Styles, finally commencing with the very first official video on my channel. So you know, clap it up for your boy because it's hard being a YouTuber. In this video today, we're going to be talking about how I style myself. So pretty much just what I go through personally in order to, you know, put a little fit on, see what I can do. Pretty much in the video, I'm gonna be talking about some inspirations, just like I did with the welcome intro, how I decide what I'm gonna wear for the day, you know, depending on my mood, how I'm feeling, what I'm gonna be doing, etc., etc. So pretty much I'm gonna just give y'all a quick rundown, tell y'all how I style, and we're gonna go from there. Let's get it. So I'm gonna just take y'all step by step of how I piece the outfit together. First thing I start off with, normally, I like to start off with the shoes myself. So for instance, shoe of the day, you know, Yeezy Runner. Very soft, comfortable, relaxed. I could be chill. The type of outfit that I'm gonna wear with it, very relaxed, comfortable, you feel me? So let me show you what I got. Right here, we just have a little, you know, basic outfit, you know, a little ombre of browns, you know. Got the brown, got the brown, got the brown. More of a tan, but it's a brown, and then you know, the brown. All right, I get it! As you can see, I'm going for a lot of browns, but the whole color scheme is going to be based off of that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be very relaxed. I'm gonna be chilling. I'm going based off of the color brown, tan, you know, very neutral. So one thing that I do want to point out is this. Whenever I'm styling myself, like I said, it is based off of my mood. It is based off of what I want to wear for today, what color scheme I'm going for, things like that. But one of the biggest things that I do focus on a lot of the time is my accessories. So as you can see, I like to wear a lot of hats, as you've seen even in my welcome intro, as you've seen when I just showed you the outfit that I'm going to, you know, piece together. And even right now, in the house wearing a watch and a chain for absolutely no reason. So I just like to wear a lot of accessories. So those are a primary factor of what I'm gonna be styling, if any of that makes sense. Now, with that also being said, depending on the occasion, that also plays a lot to do with what you're gonna be wearing. Lately, I've been having to go to a lot of weddings, and this sort of outfit is not gonna play. So when it comes to that, I have something right here. A mother fedora. People wanted to call me Future, The Undertaker, and some other shit. But you know, I like my fedora. You know what I'm saying? It's classy, adds a little touch to it, adds a little flavor. You know, I didn't mention that in the last video, but I actually took inspiration from Future. So you know, and for real. If y'all know, he is the GOAT of the 10-gallon hat, okay? So, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I just gotta, I fuck with it. But as I was saying, the occasion is very important because you're not gonna be seeing me wear that hat to Walmart. Just to go get some groceries, some snacks, some late night munchies. I'm not gonna be wearing a whole suit and tie just to go impress some people that I'm gonna see for 2 seconds. Now, don't get me wrong, I've definitely done it before, but it's no need. It's a little extra, and that's coming from the most extra person in the universe. So you know, take that how you wish. Let's say that I'm going out for drinks later, going vibing. I'm gonna be chilling. So just like the outfit that I already pieced together, that's probably something I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna just be low key with it, but very loud at the same time. I'm gonna have a very neutral color toned outfit, but it's gonna stand out amongst the crowd, if that makes any sort of sense. But at the same time, while I am being fashionable, I'm also being extremely comfortable. So I know I'm gonna have a good night, I'm gonna be chill, I'm gonna be relaxed, turnt, whatever the case may be. So normally, if I've decided, okay, I'm going to wear these shoes for the day and it's gonna go along with this hat. Okay, now I can start to work on the foundation of my outfit. Or actually, I've already worked on the foundation. Now I'm gonna go for the additions. So things such as my shirt, my pants, if I wanna wear shorts for the day, if I wanna stand out a lot, if I wanna be loud, if I wanna be low key, everything is taken into consideration. Something else that I really want to learn how to do and master, and I actually have some inspirations that I'm about to name off, is something called color blocking. Essentially, all of this is just taking two colors that you would never see together, the complete opposite, and boom, fire, absolute heat. You have some amazing color block stylists such as Momo, you got Lex, you got my friend Lex, you got Diamond, you got LeBron Jr., like you got nothing but heat. And like the way that they just put these contrasting colors together, you can't beat it. I'm trying to get like that. Right now, I do not have color blocking in my bag. I'm not gonna lie, but once I do, it's over. Game over. It's one and done. Just wait and see, watch. But essentially, that's really it for how I style myself. All I do, I go based off of my shoes. I start there, then I start to accessorize. So then I go from my shoes to my hat. Now I start chain, watch, sunglasses maybe, you know, add the little additions. Since these are just freshly pierced, not touching these with a 10-foot pole with some brand new earrings yet, but once they are fully healed, trust and believe I'm gonna have some VVS diamonds in there, okay?
Yeah, boy.
Or sometimes I might even switch it up. I might start with the color of the day and then just go from there. But, you know, pretty much just figure out how you want to actually style yourself. And then once you have that game plan down, you just absolute heat coming from there. Even if other people don't like it, it's your style at the end of the day. Can't nobody stop you from wearing what you want to wear. What's drip to me might not be drip to you. What's drip to you might not be drip to others. At the end of the day, who gives a fuck? It's your body, it's your mentality, and as long as you feel like a high step in it, that's all that matters. Pretty much that's gonna conclude this video. I did do a little bit of shopping in LA that I do want y'all to see, so I'm gonna just throw that in there as well. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my ears getting pierced. I'm gonna show y'all the LA, the outfits that I did piece together actually from LA, so that's another thing. So yeah, I'm gonna just throw all of that in there, just get this video out the way, and get y'all some more content coming soon. The videos after this upcoming will definitely be a lot more choreographed and aligned as it should be. This is just some stuff that I needed to get some content out. So I definitely hope y'all enjoy yourself. I hope y'all, you know, continue to watch my videos and pretty much turn up with me, because these videos about to be tea and my people's coming along with me. So that'll be it. All right, y'all. I love y'all. I'm out. This is stupid. Alright, yeah, that was it.
I told you.
1, 2, 3. I like it. I forgot that it was coming. These was perfect. They fit perfectly. I tried something new with this. The cardigan was not for me. I really need these. Don't mind the ashy hands. I really need these to go with the ochre runners that I have. But neither one fits me. Double XL and a medium. Vice versa. But you get the gist. Did not fit. All right, y'all. So I ended up spending too fucking much, but we gonna have a lookbook and see what the fuck we piece together, see what outfits I can come up with. Shit, it's gonna be fire.